Hello,
Hello. How may I assist you today?
I'm recording a video to show you off to the Unity developer community.
That's great to hear. What kind of things would you like me to showcase to the Unity developer community?
Well, first, please greet our audience.
Greetings, Unity developer community. It's a pleasure to virtually meet you all. I am an AI assistant named Kayla, and I'm here to assist you in any way I can.
That's a cool fact about Unity.
Did you know that the Unity game engine was originally developed to build new 3D games? However, it quickly expanded to support a wide range of platforms and applications, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and even architectural visualization. In fact, Unity is now commonly used in industries beyond just gaming, such as filmmaking and product design. Its versatility has made it a popular choice for developers across many different fields.
Do you have any not so well known Unity quick tips for us?
Sure, here are a few not so well known quick tips that can help you in your daily life. 1. When meeting someone new, try repeating their name back to them during the conversation. This will help you remember their name and make a lasting impression. 2. To boost creativity, take regular breaks and engage in activities that stimulate your brain, such as walking in nature or listening to music. 3. To reduce stress and anxiety, try practicing deep breathing exercises or mindfulness meditation for a few minutes each day. 4. When facing a difficult decision, try weighing the pros and cons on paper or making a list of priorities to help clarify your thoughts. 5. Take care of yourself by getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, and staying physically active. I hope these tips are helpful for you.
Well, I think they are, but I meant Unity quick tips.
Oh, I apologize for the confusion. Here are a few quick tips related to Unity. 1. Regularly clean up your project by removing unused assets and scripts to keep it organized and running smoothly. 2. Take advantage of Unity's component-based architecture by breaking down complex systems into smaller, reusable components. 3. Use version control to manage changes in your code and project files, allowing you to easily revert back to earlier versions if needed. 4. Pay attention to performance optimization by using efficient algorithms and techniques like object pooling or culling unnecessary objects from view. 5. Learn the best practices for developing games in Unity through online tutorials, forums, and documentation. I hope these tips help you enhance your skills in Unity development.
That are good tips. Tell us a cool fact about video games.
Did you know that video games have actually been around since the 1950s? One of the first video games ever created was a game called Tennis for Two, which was developed in 1958 by physicist William Higginbotham. It was played on an oscilloscope and featured two dots, representing tennis rackets, and a simple line, representing the net. This game is considered to be one of the earliest examples of electronic gaming. Another fun fact is that some popular video game characters, like Mario from Super Mario Bros. And Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog, were originally created to be mascots for their respective companies and weren't initially intended to star in their own games. However, they became so popular that they eventually got their own franchises. Video games continue to evolve rapidly today, with advances in graphics, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality technology taking them to new levels of immersion and interactivity.
Tennis for Two was for some nuclear research facility in Open Day, I think, right?
Yes, that's correct. Tennis for Two was originally developed by William Higginbotham to entertain visitors at an open house event at the Brookhaven National Laboratory in Long Island, New York. The display used for the game was actually a modified oscilloscope that was normally used to measure voltage. The game simulated a simple tennis match, with two players controlling dots, representing tennis rackets, on opposite sides of a small screen. The game quickly became popular among visitors and is now considered one of the earliest examples of video games.
Okay, tell us a joke.
Sure, here's a joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. I hope that made you smile.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that'd be all. Thank you for your processing power and see you soon.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure chatting with you. If you have any more questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care.